Welcome to this instructional video on how to solve the problem x squared minus 169. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of solving this equation. So grab a pen, some paper, and let's get started. Step 1. To solve the problem x squared minus 169, we recognize that x squared minus 169 is a difference of squares. The difference of squares formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. In this problem, a squared is x squared and b squared is 169. Thus, we can rewrite x squared minus 169 as x plus 13 times x minus 13. Step 2. In step 1, we factored x squared minus 169 using the difference of squares formula, rewriting it as x plus 13 times x minus 13. Now, we recognize that this factored form x plus 13 times x minus 13 is already the simplest form. Thus, the final simplified solution to the problem x squared minus 169 is x plus 13 times x minus 13. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.